cylinder contains hydrogen gas at a pressure of 249 kilopascal and temperature 27 degrees Celsius. We have to find its density. First things first, we'll write the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. N can be written as total mass over the molecular mass of our gas, and our total mass can be written as density into volume. From here, we'll get the density. So our equation becomes PV is equal to rho V RT upon M. These cancel out, and we'll modify the equation to find our density or rho. So rho is equal to Pm by RT. Our pressure is given as 249 kilopascal. So 249 into 10 to the power 3 pascals. Molecular mass of H2 gas is 2 grams, or 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilograms over the value of R that we are given in the question itself. Temperature is given as 27 degrees Celsius or 300 kelvins. We had to convert everything into SI. So our density is 0.2 kg per meter cube, and our solution is option number 4.